Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Mummy Fox today. First, let's draw the shape of Mummy Fox's face. Then, her nose. Her 2 ears. Let's draw her eyes with lashes. Next, her lip. Her cheek. Let's draw the shape of Mummy Fox's body. Look, she opened her eyes for you. I'm drawing her arms and hands. Hello, Mummy Fox. Next, her legs and shoes. Lastly, her long tail. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. Join me as we add color to Mummy Fox together. She has a black nose, an orange cheek, a light shade of orange on her face and ear. Mummy Fox is waving at you. Mummy Fox is the wife of Daddy Fox and the mummy of Freddy Fox. She works in the hospital as a nurse in the children's ward. She wears a yellow-green dress. Mummy Fox's fur is a beautiful shade of orange, making her stand out in the fox family. It's like having a furry friend who brings a burst of color to the fox den. A light shade of orange on her arms, hands, legs and tail. And black on her shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.